negotiate. When, let me tell you, let me start by telling you, when, wait. Keep quiet. Let me take what they say. So that when I come into government, if I don't do it, they say, this man is fake. First, what did I tell Nigerians? They say, I want to be president of Nigeria. I'm a Nigerian. And I want Nigerians to hold me responsible if I don't turn around Nigeria. Benue people, when one of our son they talk, he say, when I win, Benue people go come for Abuja to tell me what they want. I won't make it right and now. I'll come to Benue for them to tell me what they want. Our government will not remain in Abuja. We will come to states. I will go to every state of Nigeria. I will listen to them and I'll start solving their problem. No state will come to Abuja. Benue State, I assure you, we will secure and bring peace to Benue State. Those in IDP camp will go back to their villages. Those people who are not in farm will go back to their farms. And with those, they will not just go back to their farm. We will make sure we support them to increase their production. Our government will secure and unite Nigeria. We will unite Nigeria. We will bring peace to Benue. We will make Benue work. Benue has fertile land. Benue is an agricultural place. So we will make it work. I know. Benue, somebody said Benue is a civil servant town. Is it not be so? Somebody say here. Me, I go tell you, say, you know, be civil servant town. Benue is 34,000 square kilometers of land. Benue State is bigger than Belgium. Belgium is 30.9. So Benue is higher. If Benue, I said it, if Benue is 1.5 times Israel is 22,000 square kilometers. So Benue is what? 1.5 Israel. If all those states, if Belgium, Israel can feed themselves and export products, Benue can do it. We will support Benue to do it. They will not do it alone. Federal government of Nigeria, under P2B and Dati, will support every state to be productive. We will remove Nigeria from consumption to production. Two of us are successful. We are successful people. Two of us are wealth creators. We are not wealth sharers. I've created wealth. Daddy have created wealth. We know what it means to create wealth. We don't want Nigeria to be governed by people who have not done anything apart from government. We want to change that. We want our youth. The government we are going to form is government of youth and women. We don't want our youth to continue to be unemployed. We will make sure we do what will start putting them out of poverty. In their productive age, our youth must be productive.
Oh yeah.
In their productive age, they must be productive. We will pursue them. That is why I said, you will not come to Abuja to tell us what you want us to do. We will come to you. You are government. You are the government.
Oh yeah.
And that he has said, the greatest physical assets of Nigeria, after the human assets we have in the youth, is the vast uncultivated land in the north. And we will make it work. We have opportunities to turn Lagos into a financial center. We have opportunities to turn South become the best in oil and gas. We have opportunities to turn Southeast become the best in manufacturing and trade. Why is it not working? Because we have people who don't know anything and they are wasting everybody's time.